Previously I talked about at a minimum replacing the passenger light because of the cracks. I think you can see that in the image. And I got me eBay headlights used, and we're going to try and swap them out. And unboxing the eBay specials. So these came in last week. Probably should open them as soon as I got, but we're doing it now. Let's take a look. And yep, that looks like a headlight. And here we go. All right. And voila. One passenger side C70 special, and lens looks much better than existing, so far so good. One of the things I like about Volvos is removing headlights is pretty simple. You just come over here and there's a retaining pin. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Set that down where I don't lose it, and should be good. Try and wiggle this out. I may need two hands. Probably better off just getting some kind of camera stand. Gently. And see if I can do this one-handed. Disconnecting. I may not be able to do this one-handed. So I'm going to have to stop this and use both hands. Alright. With both hands I can get it out. But you're disconnecting. Look at these connections here. I don't see any corrosion. Actually looks to be in pretty good shape. But side by side, you can kind of get a sense of before and after. This is the new one. This is the previous. And the new one, the seller was so kind to even include an extra connector. I won't be needing that, so I'll take it off and let's swap them out. Alright, got in position, got the connector, pushing it in. See if I can do this one-handed while pushing with my knee. Probably not, but click. That's what you want here. And line it up. I think it'll be okay. And it pops right in. Nice. Final step. And I can't remember if it goes in backwards or forwards, but I think this is not correct because it's not happening. So switch this around, slides in, and salt white down. I think we're good. And much better. Much better. So what was interesting on this headlight, and it's only interesting because it's different from the driver's side, but there's no padding or cushioning on the inside. Previously I had pulled out the driver's side, and underneath the casing of the assembly, where you pull it out, there's like foam padding on the bottom. Pulling it out is aged and kind of crumbly, so I was kind of concerned about where am I going to get that part, because it doesn't seem like it'd be easy to do. But this light didn't come with it, and I am not sure if it's required, if it's going to rattle around as I'm going to drive or what. Not really sure. I'll have to ask some guys on Sweet Speed on what the answer to that is. Ta-da! And wait, nope. One of these is not like the other. So I'm going to have to look at connections, see if the bulb needs to be replaced, or if I just get it ripped off.